are here at the Hydrogen and Fuel Cell Expo in Tokyo, which is still the internationally leading fair for fuel cell and electrolyzer applications.
We are exhibiting as a German fuel cell cooperation with the three companies, von Ardenne, Zeltwanger and Weil, and we are emphasizing our expertise in all different production steps needed for the production of a bipolar plate for electrolysis of fuel cells.
As a corporation, we can cover the complete value chain in bipolar plate production, starting from coil material, which is being stamped, punched. If not punched, we can offer laser cutting machinery, which then form the anode and cathode half plates, which are put together and laser welded and then coated with PVD coating.
We're presenting here coatings for fuel cell and electrolyzer applications. And as we know, one of the main functions is corrosion resistance and electronic conductivity, as we show here.
Compared with last year, it's getting more serious each customer, so I'm very happy with that.
It's on the second exhibition of this German Fuel Cell Corporation, and I'm very happy with a lot of visitors here. And I hope that we can make a good success near future in Japan.
We can see that besides the sustainable demand in PEM fuel cell solutions, there's a growing interest in PEM electrolyzer technology, where von Ardenne's precious metal coatings, gold and platinum from rotary sputter targets, provide additional value and cost down savings for the whole PEMalyzer stack, whether it's bipolar plates or whether it's PTLs and meshes. Thank you and goodbye from Tokyo.
ありがとうございます。